You're not bad with money. You were never taught the right way. That's not an excuse. That's the truth. And until you believe it, you'll keep blaming yourself for things that were never your fault. In this video, we're going to reframe everything you've been told about personal finance. We'll break down how shame, confusion, and emotional wiring have shaped your money habits, and how you can finally take back control without guilt. Let's start with what you didn't learn. You weren't taught how to budget. You weren't taught how to invest. You weren't taught how to regulate emotions around spending. You weren't taught how to think long term. Instead, you were taught to fear bills, to hide debt, to associate wealth with greed, to view talking about money as taboo. And somehow, you were expected to grow up and just know how to manage it all. So what happened? You tried to figure it out by watching others. But most of them were struggling too. You downloaded budgeting apps, read blog posts, binged YouTube videos, and still felt stuck. Because financial knowledge without emotional clarity just becomes another form of stress. And that's where most advice goes wrong. It treats you like a math problem instead of a human being. But money isn't just about numbers. It's about patterns. You're not overspending because you don't understand subtraction. You're overspending because it gives you a temporary hit of control, or comfort, or status, or even rebellion. You're not avoiding your bank account because you're lazy. You're avoiding it because every time you open the app, you relive shame, or confusion, or fear. And you're not inconsistent because you're undisciplined. You're inconsistent because no one showed you how to build a system that fits your actual life. So let's pause and be honest, you were never bad with money. You were just expected to manage it without tools, without models, without context. But now, you can change that. Let's build from a place of honesty, not shame. Step 1. Forgive your past self. Every financial mistake was made with the tools and awareness you had at the time. Guilt keeps you stuck. Forgiveness creates space for progress. Step 2. Redefine what good with money actually means. It's not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Being aware. Being intentional. Good with money doesn't mean you never mess up. It means you recover faster and with less drama. Step 3. Build your own financial education. Start with one habit: tracking, saving, spending awareness, automating. Keep it simple. Don't binge content. Implement slowly. Step 4. Heal the emotional layer. Journal about your money memories. Identify the core beliefs you carry. Challenge the story. Rewrite it. Step 5. Create a financial identity that feels safe. Tell yourself, I am learning. I am growing. I am trustworthy with money. Repeat it until your nervous system believes it. Here's the truth that no one told you. People don't stay stuck because they're irresponsible. They stay stuck because they feel shame. And shame blocks action. But when you remove the shame, even complex financial tasks start to feel doable. You stop avoiding. You start deciding. You stop spiraling. You start building. And every small win reinforces the truth: you're not bad with money. You're just building a new relationship with it. One that's honest. One that's stable. One that fits your actual life. So next time your inner critic whispers, "You'll never figure this out," I want you to say back, "I was never taught. But I'm learning now." And that changes everything.